Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a legend to Syncfusion's Blazor Maps. Look at this example where a map is showing the group of countries based on population density. Now, let me show you how to write the code to add and customize legends in Blazor Maps. To do this, I will open an existing application where I have already added a simple Blazor Maps control with basic properties. I added the GeoJSON shape of the world map in the Maps layer, and set the t-value, shape property path, and shape data path properties to it. I bound COVID statistics data with an appropriate title for the map. I also defined colors for the map shapes, based on the severity level in the data source. If you would like to watch a video on how to create this app, follow the link provided in the card above. You can also find a reference link in the description below. Now, I will run this example by pressing F5. Here, you can see the Blazor Maps control. Next, I will show you how to add a legend to the map. Within the map code, I define a map's legend settings tag. To enable the legend, I define a visible property and set its value as true. Now you can see the map displaying a legend. By default, the legend will be positioned at the bottom of the map. If you want to change the legend position, then you can use absolute positioning or dock positioning. In absolute positioning, you can change the legend position based on the coordinates, and the position should be float. And in dock positioning, you just need to set the position to the left, right, or top. I want to place the legend at the right side of the map, so I define the position property as right. Viewing the map output now, we can see the legend is displayed at the right. Next, I will show you how to align the legend. To do this, first, I need to define an alignment property within this map's legend settings tag. This alignment property accepts three options: center, far, and near. I want to far align the legend, so I set the alignment property value as far. Look at the map output. The legend is far aligned at the map. Now, I am going to show you how to change the shape of the legend icon. By default, the legend icon shape will be the circle, but the legend also supports other shapes like rectangles, triangles, diamonds, crosses, and so on. To change the legend icon, I define the property shape and set the appropriate option to it. I want to adjust the dimensions of the legend shape, so I define the properties shape height and shape width with custom values. Here, you can view the map output, which displays the legend with different icon for the map, along with custom heights and widths. If you would like to collapse or expand the map legend, then you can set the enable property to true within this map's toggle legend settings definition. We can customize the toggle option in the legend using the properties apply shape settings, fill, and opacity. And we can customize the color and width of the border of the shapes in the maps using the map's toggle legend settings definition. Now, I am going to set a custom color and width for the border in the map shape while toggling the legend option. I add the map's toggle legend border tag and define the color and width properties with appropriate values. And then, I will set apply shape settings as false within this map's toggle legend settings tag. Look at the map output now. Clicking the legend for the high severity level, the related shapes in the map are collapsed, and the custom border width and color is shown. You can see the map shows information about all the severity levels in the map data source. If I want to skip or hide any severity level from the map, then I define the show legend property within this map's shape color mappings and set appropriate values to it. Here, I have set the value as false for the moderate level, as I am going to skip this severity level in the legend. Now when you look at the map output, it shows information about the high and low levels only. Next, I will show you how to hide a severity level and set custom colors for the map, based on the data source value. To do that, first, I need to define two more fields, named Legend Visibility and Shape Color in the Country Data Model class, and set appropriate values to them. Then, I assign the fields Shape Color to the Color Value Path property, and Legend Visibility to the Show Legend path. As I have already bound the show legend path and color value path, I will remove the map shape color mapping's definition from the map's code. Checking the map output now, the legends are shown based on data source. If I would like to change the mode to interactive, then I need to define the mode property and set its value to interactive. Then, I will add the inverted pointer property to enable the visibility of the inverted pointer in the interactive legend in maps. Looking at the map output now, you can see the legend with the inverted pointer. In this tutorial, we have seen how to add a legend to the Syncfusion Blazor Maps control and how to position and align it. We discussed how to change the legend icons in mode and how to omit a legend item from the map. If you would like to see a working example of the map in this video, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also provided a link in the description where you can see if you qualify for a free license key to use our Blazor products through our community license. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.